Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, we will design a cover in Word. So let me show you the cover that we are gonna design or build in Word. So the design is already done, so we're just gonna build it in Word. And this is nice for a school project or if you want to improve your skills in Word. So you can start with this basic design. Let me open Word first. And the shortcut Windows arrow right, we can move it to the right side and we can move the design to the left side so we can see what we are doing. And here, let me start with the top triangles. So we go to insert and first we go to forms, shapes, and we can pick up like this triangle or something better, which is a rectangle. Let me draw it. Then we can rotate it. So pressing on shift is gonna rotate it, I think 15 degrees each time. And so we have this, the first, and as you can see, we have now the first triangle here. I think we need to remove the border. So let's go to shape format and then remove outline. So no outline. So now it looks similar to this one. Maybe the color, we can also go to shape fill and change the color to another blue tone. Still not good. Let me stick to this one. And now to have the second shape, we need just to press on Control and duplicate the shape. So we duplicated the shape, but now it's in front of the other one. Maybe we can, pressing on Control, we can make it bigger. And then we can use the right mouse button and send it to back. So let me now go to shape format and change the color. So let's take maybe this one. And as you can see, it's now almost similar to the other one. Now we have the logo here. The logo we can insert. I'm gonna search for a logo. Let me insert my own logo or my blog's logo. We can go to pictures and then this device, and we can search for let me go to the folder, and here we have mount logo. So let me insert it now, and I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. We can also go to picture format and center it. Now we can align it to page, and then we can't center it because of the layout option. So now we can go here and make it square, and then we can go to the layout option and center it. So now it's center because we changed the layout option. So in line with text, you can't center it, but if you change it to square or any other option here, you can center it. Now we have here the document title. We can write here exactly, but this is not what we want to do. So it's better to go to insert again and insert a text box. So to shapes and then text box. And here we can use the same document title. And we need now to highlight the text, change the font, maybe to Arial black. So I'm gonna use it. Yeah, black looks good. Now let me make the font bigger, like it's too much, maybe a little bit smaller. Yeah, this might work. Now let's go to shape format and center it like the image, and go to home, center the text, and then remove the outlines. No outline. It's still small, so let me make it maybe 84, sorry, 48. And because we changed the size, we need to center again. So yeah, something like this. Maybe we change not to Arial black to Arial. Yeah, maybe something like this. And now let's make it also all caps. You can go here to these options here, and you will find here this option, uppercase, and now we can also change the color and use a different color. Yeah, so this is here and top is black. Now we are using the blue, the same blue here. And then under it, we can also use control and waiting till we see this plus icon. Now we can duplicate. And here we can write subtitle or description, and we can highlight it. Now let's make it smaller. Maybe not bold. And let's make it smaller. And now what's left is the text here and the bottom banner or the bottom box. So now let me create the bottom box. So let me go to shapes again, create a rectangle. And let's take the color of the one on top. And now we can create here this line here. We go also to insert, and then we search for shapes. Then we take this line and we make it bigger, maybe thicker. We can use the same color, but now we need to center it. So we need to go to shape format, again align center. And still the author, institution, date, we can go to insert, and then we can use maybe a table. So we can use a table here. This is an option. We can remove the borders of the table, or we can just leave the inside borders or inside horizontal borders. So let me first maybe remove the whole borders, and then inside, I think I missed. Let me remove this one. And now let's highlight the table and go here to view grid lines, remove them. And you can write like here, author. There's an option. I'm gonna leave it now for you. I think this is the design. We can zoom also here. Zoom out a little bit to make you see. It's almost the same design. Maybe this line is a bit thicker than the one here. You can adjust it the way you want, but it's a cool, nice task, maybe at school or for your son if you want him to learn how to use Word, or even for you if you want to create a cover for maybe a report, a project, a cover for your CV. I don't know. It's nice, yeah, to know how to do it by yourself. See you in other videos.